are staying in the Rembrandt Hotel. It's Friday. Well, we were staying in the Rembrandt Hotel. It's Friday. And as you can see, this is where everybody is located. After the earthquake, it was a 2-minute earthquake, guys. So now, we have to find out what's next. But luckily, when you have a grandma as your travel agent, I got you. She gonna handle that stuff for you. Everyone is safe that's already here that's in our group. She just got off the phone with our boots on the ground here. They went to pick up our guests that are arriving from the airport. So that's why everybody was standing outside while I was sitting down in another place. This is where we were staying, the Rembrandt. It's our hotel.
There was a really bad earthquake here, like that just happened. So we've been evacuated out of the building.
We have
No
to check
that
our
affected
safety.
anything that we were. So you're at exit B. You went to gate 5.
All right, guys, we'll let y'all go. Peace.